Hey, it's Jeff Church. I've had a lot of patients that have been asking me about liposuction later, and I've done a lot of liposuction in my 23 years, but I thought I'd give you a little overview. It's usually a procedure that I do outpatient or in my office operating room. It can take from 1 to 4 hours depending on how much we're doing. If it's 1 or 2 isolated areas, I can do that in an hour, but if it's a full body liposuction, that can take up to 4 hours. I make some small incisions, they're very tiny. Through those little incisions, the areas that I'm going to liposuction, I fill up with a fluid. It's basically salt water and numbing medicine. And then through those little incisions, I've got little metal tubes. They're all shapes and sizes. They're blunt on the end. They've got holes. And I suck out the fat. And it's not like you put the cannula in and like a vacuum cleaner it's sucking it out. What I'm really doing is making a whole bunch of Swiss cheese holes in the fat. So I need to approach it from one angle, approach it from another angle, and take out the excess fat. Afterwards, I put a small stitch in the incision, glue a Band-Aid on. But if you think about it, I need all those Swiss cheese holes squished. So he puts you in a compression garment of one type or another. I will call you that night, and when I call you, you'll say, I feel fine. And the next day when you wake up, it's sort of like you worked out too hard, kind of a muscle ache. You can get out of the garments the next day, bathe and shower, pat dry, put the garments back on. But when you look that first morning, you'll say, I look better, but I should look a lot better. And it's all that fluid I put in there. I only get about half of it back. So your body will absorb it, you'll pee it off. So in a week, you're looking better. In a month, you're looking better, but it takes about 3 or 4 months to get your final result. So hopefully that answers some of the questions my patients have been asking. If not, feel free to come and see me or check me out on Belle Plastic Surgery. And I'll wait to see you then.